Hello, this is Dan from Bolster, and I'll be demonstrating how to make an item optional. Allowing customers to remove items makes the project more affordable, therefore increasing booking rates, while optional add-ons enhance perceived value, encourages higher spending. In this scenario, we are in a kitchen proposal, and we want to make this under cabinet lighting optional, so we hover and click the item icon, and under the Sales tab, you'll find the checkbox for the Make this item optional for your customer. I'm going to select that. And as well, we have an opportunity to either select the included by default or having it excluded by default in your proposal. Once that's done, you exit out, and you have now made your item optional.